In chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. After studying properties of ionic compounds, let's go through the in-text questions which are given on the page number 49. The first question says us that in first question 3 sub-questions can be given. In first question, write the electron dot structures for sodium, oxygen and magnesium. See here, you already are able to draw the structure, electron dot structure of sodium, oxygen and magnesium. But here in this case, with the help of electronic configuration, we give the cell structure also. See, first write about it. Electron dot structure of, first we give the structure of sodium. See, we already know the electronic configuration of sodium. Na, atomic number 11, electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. In K cell 2 electron, in L cell 8 electron, in M cell 1 electron. See here, अब हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, 3 राउंड करेंगे. 3 सेल हो तो 3 राउंड. 1 2 3. गॉट इट? इजी है ना. एक डॉट न्यूक्लियस का बनाएंगे, इसको काउंट नहीं करने का है. अब के सेल अंदर से स्टार्ट करेंगे बाहर की तरफ. के सेल 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सी एल सेल 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In M cell 1 electron. So this type of electron dot structure has been occur in Na. Why 1 डॉट कैन अकर? क्यों 1 डॉट किया है यहाँ पर? क्योंकि वो आउटर मोस्ट सेल है, उसमें कैसा डॉट है? 1 है, तो यहाँ पे 1 डॉट मेंशन किया है. सेम केस इन ऑक्सीजन. Before drawing this type of structure, you have to remember about atomic number and electronic configuration of all elements. Here, oxygen means O2. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. So, 2 and 6. In case of oxygen, we already know, we already study about this much type of electronic configuration in chapter number 4. So, we already remember. In K cell 2 electron, in L cell 6 electron. Let's draw the structure. Here how many cells can be occurred? 2. So, we draw 1 and 2. 1 nucleus for 1 dot for nucleus. In K cell 2 electron, in L cell 1 2 3 4 5 6 electron. O Na plus, O2 minus. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because in outermost cell 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about magnesium? magnesium Mg, atomic number 12, electronic configuration is 2 8, 2 in K cell, 2 electron in L cell, 8 electron in M cell, 2 electron. We have 2 3 round for 3 cells, 1 2 3, 1 dot for nucleus, 2 for K cell, 8 for L cell, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 2 in M cell. So here Mg 2 electrons. Here the question first is complete. Go through the second sub question. First question covered. In second, show the formation of Na2O and MgO by the transfer of electron. See, Na2O in case of second, Na2O, Na here oxygen, 1 2 3 4 5 6, Na plus, here see here Na has the valency +1, oxygen has the valency 2 minus. So when we make the compound Na2O, we need 2 atoms of sodium, and so here 2 atoms of sodium can occur. Give 1 electron to oxygen. See, 1 from this sodium, 1 from this sodium, and make a compound Na plus, oxygen, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, minus, because the valency of oxygen is 2 minus, and make a compound Na2O. In case of magnesium, MgO, Mg 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Here we give the cross mark to make a difference. Plus oxygen, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 electron can be given to oxygen. Mg 2 plus, same here in the case of oxygen, 2 minus, or we called it MgO. In the case of third, what are the ions present in these compounds? We write the answer here. In compound Na2O, which types of ion can be present? Na plus, O2 minus. In the case of MgO, Mg2 plus O2 minus. Two ions can be present in Na2O, Na plus O2 minus. Mg2 plus O2 minus can be present. The second question is, why do ionic compounds have high melting points? In the property of ionic compound, we already give the answer for this question. In ionic compound, when the ionic compound can be occur, they have the strong contraction between each other. So they cannot break easily. They molten at the high point. When we give the high energy, and then they can be break. So the melting point is high. In the case of ionic compounds, they have the high melting points. Let's go through the next topic. It is called occurrence of metals. See, let's first see in the textbook. The Earth's crust is a major source of metal. अर्थ का जो क्रस्ट है उसमें बहुत सारे मेटल्स हैं. Sea water also contains some soluble salts such as sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, etc. The elements, now the definition can be given for the minerals. What are the minerals? The elements or compounds which occur naturally in Earth's crust are called minerals or are known as minerals. At some places, minerals contain a very high percentage of a particular metal, and the metal can be profitably extracted from it. मिनरल में से क्या करते हैं हम? मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं. दिस मिनरल्स आर कॉल्ड ores, O-R-E-S, ores. Now we go through the here two definition can be occur in the textbook, minerals and ores, and the topic is extraction of metals. Extraction of metals can be based on activity series. If you remember the activity series, अब आपने याद कर लिया है activity series, तो आपको ये easy रहेगा. Extraction of metals. Regularity is most important in the subject of science. If you skip any video, if you see video late by late, you can't grasp the words and you have to confuse with yourself. So regularity is most important in science. Extraction of metals based on activity series. First we write the activity series is in page number 50. We already draw the activity series is potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, copper, silver and gold. C. The metals at the फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, पहली लाइन से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज of metals. Having this knowledge, you can easily understand how a metal is extracted from its ore. Some metals are found in the earth's crust in the free state. Some free state में मिलती है पर सभी फ्री स्टेट में नहीं मिलती है. तो क्या करेंगे? Some are found in the form of their compounds. The metals at the bottom of the activity series are the least reactive. They are often found in a free state. For example, gold, silver, platinum and copper are found in the free state. Copper and silver are also found in the combined state as their sulfide or oxide ores. The point is important. Which metals can be found in free state? Metals can be found in free state are gold. Here मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? अभी सिम्बॉल्स लिख रही हूँ, साइन लिख रही हूँ. आपको क्या करना है? वर्ड्स में लिखना है. सिल्वर, गोल्ड, ऐसा. गोल्ड AU, सिल्वर, प्लेटिनम, copper are found in the free state. Copper and silver are also found in the combined state as their copper and silver. Sulfide or oxides ores. The minerals at the top of the reactivity series are so reactive that they are never found in nature as free elements. Some metals never found in free state. They are potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium. The metals in the middle of the activity series are moderately reactive. They are found in the earth crust mainly as oxides, sulfides or carbonates. See, some metals can be found in the oxides, sulfides and form of carbonates. They are present in the middle of the reactivity series. They are zinc, iron, Pb, etc. The ores of many metals are oxides. This is here the reason for 1 marks can be occur. यहाँ कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन दी है कि सारे मेटल्स है वो ऑक्साइड्स फॉर्म में ज़्यादा दिखते हैं. देखो सभी जगह देखा है ना. तो मेटल्स आर फाउंड इन द मोस्टली इन देयर ऑक्साइड्स फॉर्म बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज a very reactive element and it is very abundant, बहुत सारी मात्रा में, abundant means, and is very abundant on the earth. One words question can be occur. क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या है? तो कि यहाँ हमने देखा तो मेटल्स के ऑक्साइड से ऑर्स है, वो सारे मेनली फाउंड इन देयर ऑक्साइड्स, बहुत सारे हैं वो ऑक्साइड्स में मिलते हैं। तो उसका रीज़न क्या है? बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज़ अ वेरी रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट एंड इज़ वेरी abundant on the earth. Here see, here more reactive metals: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium. Here the middle Zn, Fe, Pb are found in middle, and at the bottom copper, silver and gold. Here the method can be given for their extraction. For the top of the reactivity series metal, they can be extracted by the process of electrolysis. In middle, they can be excreted from the method of reduction using carbon, and in case of bottom, they cannot be found in free state. So three type of extraction metal can be occur, and more reactive metals, middle reactive metal, and at the bottom very less reactive metal. So full marks question can be arise: extraction of metals by the activity series, and two questions can be occur which are related in text question, which are related on page number 49.